on by the Chiltern Music Academy, to join with other Year 6s, to be inspired by the songs, to believe in themselves, and was sent away with a wonderful, aspirational feelings.
So this morning we got together with Elangeni School and Heatherton School, and we sang some songs with them, and it was really fun.
Well, singing makes me feel like it's just a fun thing to do.
So we sang a song called Hot Chocolate and one that's To Believe in You, and it was really fun.
Why do you like singing?
Well, I just think that if you're like sad or something, then you can just sing a song and make you feel better.
So it was a wonderful thing that Chiltern Music Academy put on for us, and thank you very much to them.